DoorDash just launched an app called Tasks. It pays couriers to film themselves doing everyday activities, walking, opening doors, speaking foreign languages, so AI models can train on it. Let me make sure you heard that. The gig economy, already famous for replacing stable jobs with precarious microwork, is now offering a new tier of precarity, becoming the raw material for your own replacement. It's a beautiful piece of accidental poetry. First, DoorDash disrupted restaurants. Then it disrupted delivery workers. Now it's disrupting human existence itself by digitizing it for neural network training. The pitch is genius in a horrifying way. Hey, you're already driving around for us. Wanna also film yourself speaking Cantonese? We'll pay you a little extra. And workers say yes, because of course they do. The gig economy runs on desperation economics. There's a whole industry now called data labeling, real humans annotating images, transcribing audio, filming physical tasks, so AI can learn to do those exact things without humans. The Ouroboros has arrived. We pay people to train AI. AI gets trained. AI does the jobs. People need more money. They train more AI. DoorDash called this app Tasks. I would have called it Ouroboros. But I guess that's why they're a $20 billion company, and I'm just standing here watching.